Sa bawat umaga, ikaw pa rin ang una pumapasok sa isip ko kahit pilit kong kalimutan na. Coffee's getting cold just like us lately. We're smiling but the silence says maybe. Magkatabi pero parang layo, holding hands pero letting go. I feel your heart drifting away and mine's breaking every day.